Saturday night continues. Yes, another Saturday night in Seaside Heights. Not much to see. I can't even tell. This might be a little blurry even. It's hard to tell. So I'll give you a quick update on Snapdragon. We took him, Ruth took him to the vet Wednesday. It seems that his leg is actually healing, and we'll pass on the surgery for now. Of course, the money that was everybody donated for Snapdragon, thank you very much, and we're still going to use that to because Snapdragon needs a few more visits to the vet. The vet wants to keep an eye on his leg, and but pretty sure we might have to not have to have the surgery. It seems his leg is healing, and like I said, we're still keeping an eye on him. So thanks everybody for your donations, and really appreciate it. And Snapdragon appreciates it, and it's brutal out there tonight. Let's take a peek out. View of the drifting. This is still snowing, I think. Sawmill. Sunday morning, Seaside Park. 11 degrees out. It's freezing. Snow-covered boardwalk. There it is, snow-covered boardwalk on a Sunday morning. People that asked where the camera was. There's the camera up there, the Earth Cam. Little tour of snow-covered Seaside. It's about 11 degrees here. Well, let me check the temperature and I'll tell you exactly what the temperature is. 17 degrees in Seaside Heights. There it is, if you can see that. There it is, my friends. Snow on the boardwalk. Everybody wanted to see snow on the boardwalk. Not me. This is Van Holten's saltwater taffy place. Alright, Freckles, we're done here. Another weekend. Another frosty weekend, right, Freckles? Thanks for watching, everybody. And, we'll see you real soon. Stay warm, right, Freckles? Freckles, we want everybody to stay warm.